Hello, good day everyone. Today I will present the artworks that I selected from the J. Paul Getty Museum and explain why I chose them for each category. For the category Pose Like the Figure in the artwork, I chose Saint Bartholomew by Rembrandt van Rijn because the figure has a strong and expressive pose that looks dramatic and meaningful. I think it is easy to imitate and it shows emotion through body language. For an artwork where people have the most unusual clothing, I selected The Portrait of Mai or Omai by Sir Joshua Reynolds because the clothing is very unique and different from modern fashion. The flowing fabric and style immediately stood out to me. For an artwork that has lots of lines or shapes, I chose Still Life with Lemons, Oranges, and a Pomegranate by Jacob van Hulsdonk because the fruits, plates, and arrangement create many visible shapes and outlines that make the artwork visually interesting. For an example of perspective in an artwork, I selected the Rue Mosnier with flags by Edouard Manet because the road and buildings create depth, making objects farther away appear smaller, and giving the artwork a realistic sense of distance. For an artwork that has lots of colors or is very vibrant, I chose Irises by Vincent van Gogh because of its bright colors and expressive brushstrokes. The painting feels lively and emotional, which is why it became my favorite artwork as well. And for the artwork with animals in it, I selected the entry of the animals into Noah's Ark by Jan Bruegel the Elder because it includes many different animals gathered together, making the painting detailed and interesting to observe. For the strangest artwork, I chose Abduction of Europa by Rembrandt because the scene by Rembrandt Harmens van Rijn because the scene feels unusual and dramatic, especially because it's a mythological story involving a woman being carried away by a bull. For an artwork that is monochromatic, I selected an old man in military costume because it mainly uses dark and muted colors, creating a more simple and serious mood. For an artwork with something mysterious in it, I chose The Penitent Magdalene by Georges de la Tour because of its dark atmosphere, lighting, and calm expression that make the painting feel mysterious and emotional. For an artwork that is ridiculous, I selected The Caledonian Boar Hunt by Peter Paul Rubens because the dramatic action and chaos in the scene feel exaggerated and intense, which made it stand out to me. For an artwork that has food in it, I chose Still Life with Apples by Paul Cézanne because apples are the focus of the painting and the arrangement makes ordinary food look artistic and interesting. For an artwork with a lot of interesting texture, I selected Still Life with Roses and Fruit by Henry Fantin Latour because the flowers, fruit, and surfaces appear detailed and realistic, making the textures stand out. For a figure with the craziest expression, I chose The Entombment by Peter Paul Rubens because the emotions on the figure's faces feel dramatic and intense, making their expression stand out very strongly. For a painting that I would like to be in, I selected A Calm at a Mediterranean Port by Claude Joseph Vernet because the scenery looks just, I think, peaceful and relaxing, and it feels like a beautiful place to experience in real life. Lastly, the artwork with a person I would want to have lunch with. I chose Portrait of Louise Antoinette by Jean Francois Millet because the person looks calm and approachable, making her seem pleasant to talk to. And just overall, I think she's a very kind person. For my meme, this is my meme about Joseph and Potiphar's wife, which this is not the same context, but uh, Potiphar's wife is in Tagalog nagtatampo because Joseph is about to leave because his mother is looking for him, and Potiphar's wife saying he doesn't love her anymore because he's leaving. For my sketch, I chose Irises by Vincent van Gogh, made in 1889. This is my sketch, just a slight sketch. And for my reflection, what was your overall impression of the museum? My overall impression of the museum was very positive because it felt inspiring, peaceful, and full of creativity. I liked how the museum displayed many different kinds of artworks that show different styles, emotions, and stories from different time periods. It made me appreciate art more because every painting seemed to have meaning and effort behind it. What was my favorite part? My favorite part was exploring the painting galleries and looking closely at the details of each artwork. I enjoyed seeing the colors, textures, facial expressions, and small details that made every piece unique and interesting. I really enjoyed finding different paintings for my presentation as well and making a meme out of one. What was your favorite artwork or one that you drew to it? My favorite, I already said, was Irises by Vincent van Gogh because of its very vibrant colors and expressive brushstrokes. It really caught my attention when I was going through the digital museum, and I think it is actually the best artwork in the museum. What did I discover? I discovered that art is more meaningful than I first thought because it can express emotions, stories, history, and culture. I learned that details like colors, facial expressions, lighting, and textures can help communicate the message or feeling of an artwork. I also realized that people can interpret paintings very differently, which makes art more interesting and personal. Lastly, my reflection paragraph about my experience today. My experience exploring the museum was very enjoyable and meaningful because it gave me a chance to appreciate art in a deeper way. At first, I thought museums were only places to look at old paintings, but while exploring, I realized that artworks can express emotions, stories, and creativity in very powerful ways. My favorite part was observing the details in paintings and learning how colors, textures, and expressions can communicate meaning. The artwork that stood out to me most was the irises because of the vibrant colors, and it caught my attention. Overall, I discovered that art is more than just cool works, but it is also a way of understanding history, emotions, and human creativity. So these are some screenshots of what I did in the digital museum. I was choosing every picture here. Thank you for listening. These are my references. Thank you for listening.